Okay, it's about time for the sirens to begin. I'm outside this front porch, waiting for the sirens to start going off. It is a nice weather, actually a nice day for a siren test, I should say. Nice day for it. And the sirens should go off in a minute now. It's currently, check my phone. Check my phone out. It's 12:55. It should go off in about 6 minutes. The sirens you'll be hearing are 2001s, because all the 2001s are installed, the 130s, and plus there's also a 4.5-port Thunderbolt 1000T which still has a broken board. I don't know what your service is going to fix or not. They might have to replace it with a 2001 130 or probably a 508 siren. And yeah. 2001 130 is the closest 2001 130 is over that way. It's at the city fire station, not the one, also the one at the Fair Elementary School in Grosse Pointe Park. And there's some other 2001s around here in Macomb County, also Harper Woods, which is since those 2001s replaced the Thunderbolts. They used to be there. And yeah, sirens should go off in a minute now. The time is probably about now. Let's see. It's 12:56. So they're going to go off any minute now. The sirens over here are FS 2001s, and probably a Thunderbolt 1003 in Melvindale. There's one there. And yeah, I'm recording my iPad now. It's still running. There's a Thunderbolt 1003 in Melvindale, which is on top of a building, and also a Thunderbolt 1000 in Redford. This is the one at JC Park. And plus, there's also more 2001s that are located in. Let's see. There's some in Detroit. There's some 2001 SRNs in somewhere in this area. But now we have 2001 30s. The closest 2001 is the 2001 I got back in February was the one at Grosse Pointe Woods Fire Station, which is located off the map where the police and fire station is. And that's where I filmed it. I was so happy that I got that siren. It was I was kind of bummed there wasn't a Thunderbolt because there was not many Thunderbolts left in the area of Michigan. Anyhow, the Thunderbolts the Thunderbolts got replaced are being stored at Western Service, which is being some are getting scrapped or junk. And yeah. Someday I'll go to Western Service and I can purchase the Thunderbolt siren. Also get the dual tone Wheelan 316, what my friend told me at TikTok. And yeah. So these sirens should be going off in a minute now. I'm gonna go on TikTok right now and do it on TikTok too. Let's see. Oh, let me go back to the app. The time is now 12:58. The sirens should be going off any minute now. But time for the sirens to go off. The 2001 they're gonna start up first. Oh, there it goes. They start up very early. That's the 2001 SRN starting up over there. That was a minute early. It started up like 12:58. That's weird. The siren's not here on 2001. Yeah, the siren is still going off right now. 12:58. The siren is still going off right now. So I'm gonna do some TikTok. Can't hurry for the other siren to go off. Grosse Pointe siren test. So I do not hear a Thunderbolt siren. I'm kind of bummed I don't hear one. No Thunderbolt I'm hearing right now because I think the Melvindale Thunderbolt is probably out of servers or something. I don't know. Siren test. Well, I hear 2001's going off. Not many 2001s are going off. I think that one's gonna go off in a minute now. A and B. I, E. Let's see. It's 1 o'clock. The siren is still going off for the test. I think some of the 2001s are not working. I think some of them are not working right now. But the first. Oh, there it goes. Now it started up. 2001 is starting up right now. FS. That 2001's loud. 2001's. Kid crazy. I'm not typing kid crazier. And also warning sirens. Thunder. And lastly, Wayne Preston. That 2001 started up high pitch.
3, 2, 1.
Sorry about that. I have the music on. Sorry. 2001 is starting up right now.
3, 2, 1.
I just got the one. The siren test is now going on. The 2001 over there started up, and the rest of 2001 are still going off. Man, that 2001 is high pitch. Can you believe it? It's so high pitch. All the 2001 are going off right now for the test. Oh, 2001 is shutting down. Sorry, I'm turning the volume down. Well, the other 2001 is still going off. The 2001 is still going off for its test. It's trying to fight the coronavirus. Hopefully, the 2001 will probably blur out the coronavirus, or I wish the Thunderbolt could blur out the coronavirus, because that'd be kind of cool. 2001 is still going off. Man, it's high pitch. It's still running. That 2001 is still running. The 2001 is still going off. It's gonna shut off in a minute now. And this test is pretty long. This is the April 3rd. This is the April 4th test. The 2001 is still rotating. It's over that way. It's about a mile away. It's about 4.5 miles away from here. I'll probably post it on YouTube. Oh, there it goes, shutting down. Well, the test is over. I think I still hear 2001 going off. Why I think that one shut down? Yeah, the test is over. That was the monthly test. Thank you for watching it. I might post it on YouTube. And I will see you in the next siren test. Bye bye, guys. See you later.